Hello there and welcome to another video. So let's practice reading. So today we have two letters, C and K. And together these two letters make the sound K. K. Alright, so please remember, listen and then repeat. Okay, so our first word. All. All. Ah. Ah. K. K. So this word is lock. Lock. It's a big padlock. Wow, that's a big lock. Okay, good job. Next word. Ah. K. So this is rock. Rock. It's a big rock. What color is it? It's gray. Okay, next word. K. I. K. Kick. Kick. Wow, that's a high kick. Can you kick like that? I can't kick like that. Alright, next word. Okay, so do you remember this first sound from video 1? This is ch. Ch. Do you remember it? Next letter. E. E. K. K. Check. Check. Good job, well done. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Alright, so here we go. This is the last one. Cl. Cl. O. O. K. K. Clock. It's a clock. Wow, look at the clock. It's time to finish. Alright, so good job. That's the end of today's video. Well done. So if you like this, please like the video. If you think your friends would like it, please share it. If you have a comment, please write a comment down below and I'll be sure to read that. And here are some more videos that you might like to check out. And let's practice English again together soon. Bye bye.